Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to add prefix to our data. There are so many ways that we can use to add prefix to our data. For example, we can use the ampersand sign, we can use flash fill, we can use functions such as the concatenate function or the TEXTJOIN function. So let's start doing it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have numbers from 101 to 110, and if I want to add prefix like ID to these numbers, I can use the ampersand sign. For this purpose, here in this cell, I'll write equal, and first in inverted commas, I will write the word or anything that I want to add as prefix. So for example, I want to write ID dash, and after that we have to write the ampersand sign, and next I will choose the number to which I want to associate it. After this I'll press enter, and you can see that the prefix is added to the number. To apply this to all, I'll bring my cursor to the bottom right corner and drag it down. The other way of doing this is the flash fill. To use this method, I have to do the first one manually. So I'll write ID dash 101. Now when I move to the next cell, I don't need to write it by myself, but I will press the short key Ctrl E, and the Excel will automatically recognize the pattern and fill it for me. This is called the flash fill. Again, I'm going to delete this to explain the next method. Now the third way of doing this is the use of the function. So here I will write equal, and the first function that we will explain is the concatenate function. In this function you can see that I have the text1, and the text1 is the ID. So in inverted commas I will write ID dash comma, and the text2 is the number, so I will select this cell. After this I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. So you can see that both of them are joined. Now I can drag it down to fill it for other numbers as well. Again, I'm going to delete this. Another function in Excel is very handy, that is TEXTJOIN. So I'll write equal TEXTJOIN, and here first I need to provide the delimiter. So in inverted commas I can write dash as a delimiter. Then it will ask that if I want to ignore the empty cells, so I write true for it. Then I need to provide the text1 and text2 and text3 and onward the text that I want to join. So in inverted commas I will write ID comma, and for the second text I'll choose the number, close the parentheses and hit enter. And again, for the other values I can drag and fill method. So this is all for today. You have learned different method to add prefix to your data. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe to Know How for more Microsoft Excel magic.